Hello everyone, in the previous lecture we have learned about the solid state, in which we have studied that solid state has been divided into two, that is crystalline solid and amorphous solid. In case of crystalline solid, you can see the regular arrangement of constituent particle, but in case of amorphous solid, you see the irregular arrangement of constituent particles. So example of crystalline solid are diamond and salt, sugar. These are the example of crystalline solid, and example of amorphous solid are glass and rubber. So today we will discuss about the crystal lattices and unit cell. So first you need to know about what is crystal lattice. So crystal lattice is the three-dimensional arrangement of points or particles, points that may be atoms, ions or molecules in a space. So their arrangement in a space, that's why they are also called as space lattice. What do you understand from three-dimensional? That is, their arrangement will be along the three dimension. This is one dimension, two dimension and the three dimension. That is along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. You can also consider it as a length, breadth and height. So their arrangement around the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, that's why this is called as three-dimensional arrangement of particles or points. And points that may be atoms, ions and molecules. Okay. So crystal lattice, also known as space lattice, because of their arrangement 3D, that is 3D arrangement in a space, that's why they are called as space lattice. Now, what is unit cell in a crystal lattice? Actually, crystal lattice किसके बने होते हैं? यूनिट सेल के. When unit cell, जब यूनिट सेल आपस में कंबाइन करते हैं तो वो क्या बनाते हैं? क्रिस्टल लैटिस. So what is unit cell? Unit cell is the smallest and repeating unit in a crystal lattice. So this is the crystal lattice structure of crystalline solid. Okay, in which these are the unit cell which are repeated over and over again to form a crystal lattice structure of crystalline solid. And unit cell are also, you can see, this is the complete this is the smallest and complete unit cell which repeated over and over again to form a crystal lattice. And in case of crystal lattice, you see the three-dimensional arrangement of particles in the space. That's why crystal lattice also known as space lattice. And what is 3D arrangement? That is along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now understand space lattice and unit cell with the help of a diagram. So there is a space lattice. Here suppose you have a one-story building. This is one-story building I have drawn here. This is the ground floor of building and this is the first story of the building. Okay. So this is the first floor and this is the ground floor of building. I have made partition in between them. So I have made this partition in between them. So it has been divided from the front side and from the back side. Okay. Again, I have made partition from this side. So further, this has been divided. Now there are 8 rooms in this space lattice or in a building. Now there are 8 rooms in this building, 4 in front side and 4 in the back side. Okay, in which we have drawn a one room. Okay, and this is also known as unit cell. So what is unit cell? Unit cell is the smallest and repeating unit in a crystal lattice. This is the crystal lattice structure for a crystalline solid, and this is the unit cell, which is smallest and or complete unit in a space lattice. And space lattice is the three-dimensional arrangement of a constituent particles in the space. That is, three-dimensional means it has been divided into 3 dimensions. Okay. If you see from there, this is one corner of this unit cell. So this is one dimension, 2 dimension and third dimension. This is 1 dimension, 2 dimension and this is 3 dimension. Okay. This is known as axial distance A, axial distance B and this is axial distance C. Now the angle between them. Now the angle between B and C is the alpha, between C and A is beta and between A and B is gamma. Okay. Next we will discuss about the unit cell. So unit cell is the smallest and repeating unit in the crystal lattice. Now here I have drawn a unit cell. You can see here the number of corners in a cube. So here in a cube there are 8 corners. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners of the cube. Okay. How many edges? Edges which join 2 corners. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of edges 12. Okay, next we count faces. So in this, how many faces are there? This is 1 face, 2 face, 3rd face, 4th face, 5th face, front side and back side, 6th face. So number of faces 6. And body center, where whole of the mass of the body is concentrated, that is inside the cube or unit cell. So here is the point in the center of the unit cell where whole of the mass is body is concentrated. So here body center is 1. Next is body diagonal. So in this body diagonal is 4. That is, from this point to this point there is one body diagonal, from this point to this second, this point to this third and fourth. These are the diagonal. So today we have discussed about the crystal lattice and unit cell. Okay, thank you.